Bound to give me problems.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Yana, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be showing you how to do a high bun, well, a high puff. My mom braided my hair back into 2 braids for my protective style when I go to sleep and stuff. I'm not gonna put water in my hair because it's gonna shrivel my hair up, and it's not gonna give me the actual texture that I want with my high puff. So yeah, I'm gonna put water on. It's just not gonna be a lot. So like I said, my hair will get, like, it'll shrivel up, and nobody wants that. This is Ampro Pro Style Super Hold Gel. I can see it. I use this for like the edges around my hair, so like the back. Yeah, I put it at the back. Oh, I have this long string. Well, it's like a hair thing. It's just stretched out because I always use it, and I double mine twice so it can be tighter. But then, like I was saying, I put the gel like around the edges of my hair. Yeah, so then I'm gonna go like up here. Right here. Right there. Let me sure I got a good base. And I'm gonna bring it up. It's kind of tight, like I said, so. Okay, I'll bring it up. Okay, so then I'm gonna start sliding it back a little bit. In the back, yeah, slide it up. In the back, and up here, and at the sides, so I can make sure that I have an even amount. My band is not as tight as I thought it was. Sorry, y'all, I had to look in the mirror to make sure that it's the right size that I wanted, and to make sure it's not looking slanted. Let me put my earrings back on, y'all, because I look like a little child. Like, I don't look grown. I was going to use Gorilla Snot, and I was going to use this 24-hour tamer edge control, but I'm going to just use the 24-hour. Okay, y'all. I'm going to slide the camera over a little bit so I can see my edges in the mirror, because like I said, I can't really see sitting right here. Your girl running out, and I don't like that. This is my edge toothbrush. The end broke, so that's why I had this purple one, so I can use the comb. The thing, my edge control is not fucking with me. So I'm about to tie like my hair down a little bit so y'all can see my edges. I need to get some more hair products actually, because I like to try new products. So any of them websites that want me to advertise y'all natural hair products, get at me, because I most definitely will. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm gonna like I said, pick it out, but I don't want it to be too picked out. And that's how you do the high puff. I hope you ladies enjoyed this natural hair video today. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Those of you that are new to my channel, make sure you check out my previous content. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.